This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
Candy. In this video, we're talking about soft caramels, and caramel in general is typically sugar that's heated up to the point where it starts to brown and get that lovely, nutty, rich flavor. And soft caramels in particular are typically mixed with some form of dairy. They've got some added butter, potentially some cream or something else to help give them that soft, beautiful, chewy texture. And these are a little cold, so they're a little firm. But in general, you're looking for like a smooth, creamy, nice, beautiful kind of soft caramel, right? It's a bit chewy, a little bit sticky, right? Beautiful, kind of pliable. And one reason I like to keep these on hand is not only do they make a delicious little snack when you need a little extra energy or a pick-me-up, but they're great to be used in baking. They can be melted down to use as a topping so that you don't have to make your own caramel, or just used on other things like as decoration. These can be kind of chopped up into little bits and used to, say, top ice cream sundaes or throw as a mix-in into brownies or cookies. And often, you can even do things like use a whole bunch of them to melt down and coat caramel apples or something else of that nature, making your job and your life a little easier. So we always keep a bulk bag of caramels on hand in the studio for any time we need to add that into a recipe to give it that extra special touch.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.